Hello everybody, this is Thorsten from iNow Software. Today I'd like to show you how to put more than 370 input fields on a RPG controlled screen, plus more than 370 fields in a thing called data grid. It's like a subfile, but in a more modern way. To create the program, I have a little helper. I call it Code Factory. You see, I'm going to access the export file, and the column count of the export file is 374. And here I can have a look into the data. See, it looks like this. I read this data just by using SQL. And here I have all the fields, and in this little editor I have a base RPG program with some placeholders, like the table name, etc, etc. And on the right little editor I have the RPG program. Then I put the RPG program just into an editor like the ILE editor from Liam Allen. Very nice tool. I like to work with that. And I just compiled the program. And it's finished, and the program's name is calls 374. On my iNow UI, I just calls 374, and I get the first screen. The first screen just looks like this, coming from this command. iNow run screen. Screen identifier or something else, your information if you like, and just put some F keys on the screen, and now it looks like this. But all the data are already transferred by calling the write export file table to iNow, and you see this is just a loop from the beginning of the file, and send as much records as you like. And now I modify the design of the empty screen, and first thing I change the F keys to toolbar buttons, and next thing is I'm gonna take a flex table control and connect the flex table control to my file table. So now I have over here an access to all the 374 columns. Click OK. Now I have a connection to this flex table, and if I just drag and drop the flex table, I'm going to see a data grid. And the data grid is actually the same thing as a subfile. So I can change some things here, maybe display filter row. Click OK. And now we see all the 374 fields. So it's a little narrow. Okay, next thing is, let me change this first. Like this. So next thing is, I like to place all the input fields onto my screen. First thing is I'm gonna take a panel, dock the panel to the left, like this. So now I have an access to all the fields. Just drag and drop the fields. It takes a few seconds because the editor has to create more than 700 controls. So ready. And for all these controls, I have to switch on the scroll bar. And let's see how it works. On the right side, we have all the fields and records in data grid, like a subfile. And on the left side, we have all the fields. We can scroll up, scroll down, and you see all of them. 374 fields in a subfile and 374 input fields. Everything under the pure control of this RPG program. Thank you and have a nice time. Hope to see you soon.